With Git installed and enabled in VS Code, it makes it easy to track changes, commit updates, and push to GitHub without using the terminal. I'll show you how to use Git directly inside Visual Studio Code in just a few steps. Be sure to check out my previous video on how to install and set up Git if you haven't done so. Consider liking and subscribing if this video helps. Thanks. Now start by opening the folder that's already a Git repo, or one you want to turn into a repo. You'll know Git is active when you see the changes and graph sections in the source control panel. If your folder isn't tracked by Git yet, click the source control icon and hit Initialize Repository. VS Code will create a .git folder and start tracking your changes right away. Edit any file in your project. Once you save, the file name will show a letter like M for modified if the file has been modified before. Otherwise, the file will show U for untracked. These changes are now ready to be staged and then committed. Click the plus icon next to any file to stage it. Write a clear commit message in the text box at the top. Then click the checkmark icon to commit the changes. To push to GitHub, you'll first need to link a remote repo. In the graph section, click Publish Branch, or if showing, click the Publish Branch button in the Changes section. You may need to verify your GitHub account through the browser. Once linked, enter your repo name and select if you want your repo to publish private or public. In my case, I am selecting private. On your first publish, you may also need to authorize Git Credential Manager. Select Sign in with your browser and then choose Authorize Git Ecosystem. Close the browser tab, go back to VS Code and select whether you want VS Code to periodically run git fetch in the bottom right of the editor. Great, now that you have your repository successfully set up and pushed to GitHub, you can now begin coding. To pull and push changes from GitHub, use the two pull and push buttons in the graph section in the source control panel as shown. This keeps your local repo up to date with the remote version. If you want more Git options, you can select the three dots to the right of the changes dropdown. Here you will have specific actions on pushing, pulling, branches, changes, and more. For example, if I want to create a new branch, I can go to the branch dropdown and select Create Branch. Input the branch name and press Enter. That's a basic Git workflow in VS Code. You don't need to leave your editor or memorize Git commands. Try it on your next project, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.